I want to use different points of view, but only with one narrator. Is that okay? Well, that's interesting. And the example I'm going to give you is very unusual. It's one narrator, starting in the second person point of view, then switching to first. That's unusual. The second is unusual in general. This example is from a short story by S.A. Cosby called The Grass Beneath My Feet. The story starts, as I said, in the second point of view. And the first line is, anyone who tells you that they don't mind going to jail is a liar. Pretty powerful. By the second paragraph, Cosby has switched to the first person, and the rest of the story is told from the protagonist's first person point of view. Here's the beginning of the second paragraph. The Coldwater Correctional Facility van pulled up to the side door of the brick building that looked less like a mortuary and more like a bank. A short brother who hadn't missed a meal since 2003 opened the side door and spoke to Officer Hardy. I watched them through the corrugated steel grate that covered my window. Note that until we see the narrator looking out through the corrugated window, we didn't know he was a prisoner. That's a masterful example of showing, not telling, while using 2 points of view within one short story, second switching to first. What do you think? Can you do it? I know you can. Have you done it? I'd love to hear your experience. I read all the comments, and I'd be most appreciative if you liked this tip. Would you subscribe to the channel? Would you like it? Would you share it? It helps me open up features that make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.